We're here at Cobar, John Cooper in the XT Falcon. It looks like you've only just made it here.
We got in by the skin of our teeth. As you can see, we snapped a engine mount in half just before that 90-kilometre stage, and we was able to wire it up, strap it up. It got us through the 90 Ks all right. We just took it a bit easy and let a few guys past. Then at our lunch stop, we found the good old Fords in the paddock. We found a couple of wrecks and was able to get a couple of spares straight off the old girls. And we're going to weld up the brackets tonight to suit the motor and fit them back up. And we'll be back on the road first thing in the morning. So, yeah, all systems go for us.